Yo.
I'll tell you what.
What's going on YouTube?
This is gonna go under the radar
And Twitch.
a little bit, and I want to put a spotlight on it because what Tara is saying is true. That's mental.
It's day 29.
That's insane.
And
The money is of course unbelievable and so kind, and
the thing is,
how much
I didn't get as much done yesterday as I thought I would. These things happen, right?
the new people
So, I'm gonna take one of those very rare days where I
everything about
do
it,
4 sessions,
not just that side of it, which of course is insane.
and
Every part of it has just been.
then I just go ham the rest of the day.
It's been fucking awesome. I couldn't have dreamed of it going this well. From
So
every
yeah.
standpoint.
So yeah, that's what we're doing. I hope Fat Wee Wee and Adrian show up today.
And that's true.
Fat Wee Wee being obviously Fat Wee Wee 420, who was here yesterday with Adrian, A-Rod, and it was fun. We just hung out.
Worth mentioning, by the way, after the scuffed fun's over,
We just kinda hung out. It was fun. Well, I did coding. But before those knuckleheads show up, let's get this going. I'm actually changing.
after that's done,
I'm still changing the pub subscription to a stream, if that makes sense.
this is usual.
Um,
I'll probably do a CTR session and we'll just talk. I think we'll just talk.
So yeah, there's kind of just a few things I need to change in index and chat. Because yesterday,
Yeah.
this sucks, but YouTube broke again yesterday.
Forget this week in a hurry. That's for sure.
Everything works fine except YouTube broke because pretty sure
Exclamation mark VODs.
it's because the pub sub channel got full and
Don't forget, in 2 hours time.
the messages weren't being ingested fast enough.
Big news.
So
You should watch that when it goes up in 2 hours. Nigel, thank you on 32 months.
yeah, we will address that today.
Good job, man.
If I don't get it addressed in these 4 sessions, which I will start now,
I hope it's going good, and I appreciate you stopping by.
then I will address it the rest of the
I
day.
appreciate it a lot. Thank you very, very much.
It at least works for 1,
Hope you're having a good one.
2 tabs.
Thank you on the sub.
That
Really,
you know, it'll work for all intents and purposes for Deos.
really appreciate it.
It's for Deo Man's purposes, but we just want to make sure that it works professionally and I can load test it and stuff, and that I won't have a hard time.
Crazy shit that's happened. Either that, or I'm just gonna make a video where
With that, let us start.
about this. What
We are changing up the script here.
depends how much work I want to make Freeze do. Okay.
Existing script content up to initialize WebSocket function.
I do actually have to pay Freeze. I'll pay him after the scuffed fun. I do have to pay Freeze for this month's work. He's a legend.
Existing WebSocket initialization logic.
Do that.
We're at the on open.
Yeah, I'll pay him in breadcrumbs. Yeah.
And the on open is actually just requesting messages.
Good idea. Oh, there's just no way.
And then we're actually changing process message queue a little bit, which is see message processing.
They sure do, Gaming Delimited. They sure do. They really, really do. wild, man.
Update last minute. The ID of the last process message. Do I have an ID? Is the ID equals last message ID?
Yeah, gaming dilemma. So basically, after this month, well, not after this month, but after this week, there's
I'm adding
obviously
an
a ton of
ID
goals
to this,
that I still need to do, but I haven't done.
right?
And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wait till April. I'm gonna get my brain cells back. I'm gonna do like a couple normal streams, you know, get back in some level of shape, and then we'll attack the goals that we haven't done yet. there's a couple.
I don't think messages have IDs by default.
There's goddamn what's it called?
Right?
There's Crash Bash 200%. There's Mario Kart Double Dash Hundo. There's 3 Pokemon runs, one of which I've never done.
Message.
There's a lot. There's a lot going on. That's only scratching the surface. There's a 10-game run. There's an NTSC J Splash Vector. So that involves Spyro on J. If you know anything about that, you know how
Messages don't have IDs.
There's a lot of stuff. There's a lot of stuff you still gotta do. Yeah. Ah yes, 32-hour stream. Don't mind me passing away. The monkey game was fun. The monkey game was fun. Genuinely, Ape Escape was very fun. I couldn't believe the control scheme. The control scheme was like, what am I looking at? But it was still fun. I enjoyed it. Yeah, I think I beat the first 2 worlds, I think was what I ended up doing. I think I beat the first 2 worlds, which was pretty sick. I think that's what I ended up doing. Hell yeah, booty. I hope you had fun, man. I hope you enjoyed it. If you played it last night as well. Yeah, I never had that game as a kid, so...
It's just when it,
Or play it for the first time, rather. And I hope you play it again. That's what I wanted to say.
when it assigns. With the ID of the last process message.
I feel like that there's still a lot of stuff that I don't understand about Sonic Riders, but I definitely feel like yesterday was, I mean, certainly better than the first time I completed a run at the start of the
Wait.
Certainly infinitely better.
How do I know what the message
Hey, what am I doing?
IDs need to be? I haven't used an ID of any sort so far. And the message is, and there's no ID in the message struct, which you know. You know this because I gave you the... You know this because the structs are right here. You know that there's no ID. But you know that images and emotes do.
You fucked up hammering nails into your new wall.
Images and emotes do.
Does that mean you just like fucked up, or does that mean
But
you broke your
yeah.
fucking fingers? Because that could mean.
On the message, Do you have any sorts of fun? Let that go.
I think there's
Uh,
at times,
or
and like,
do you have to implement a function
on the 54 months.
that assigns a unique ID to each message? I don't think the messages
Anyways, as I was saying,
I'm getting from start chat fetch.
I think
The messages I'm getting from start chat fetch,
speedrunners, but they're just really
like how you change start chat fetch here. These messages
and it's so unbelievably
do not have an ID.
And I think me doing like things like that and exposing how awful I am. I don't know, I think it's cool. I think it's funny and I think it's cool. Oh, okay, Stu, that's not looking good, Brev. Right, I see. Yeah, that's not ideal. That's not ideal. Nah, it's not great. That's not great. Yes, yes, Archie. Yes, I couldn't agree more. I couldn't agree more. And so, but like some people say, like, or not some people say, some people
Just a wee question.
only like one game or two games.
Happy Sunday, everyone.
So I think it's cool.
Sunday.
And I'm like,
Sunday. I hope everyone is chilling and productive today.
For a sound effect, falling off.
Chilling and productive. I know I'm gonna have a nice, relaxing,
I'm not gonna go inside.
chill day.
This is the crystal visit. What am I doing?
Been going super hard on the projects. Just got up.
That's the point that I'm making, Zerk. Yeah. That's the point that I'm making. It's like, you know, especially, like with CTR, because the amount of runs that actually,
the
one in CTR, and the amount of times it is a high reel or highlight reel moment in CTR is so low.
Each message is automatically assigned a unique ID by Redis when it's added to the stream. This ID is a combination of a timestamp and a sequence number.
Cheers on the bear stack. Thank you. Yeah, you guys get to see me fail Tiny Arena on pace and be like, well, them's the breaks, you know? Them's the breaks.
Oh, okay, so Redis streams include an ID.
So, you know. Let's get the gem. And the relic. In one go.
So basically I don't need to do anything. When you use the XAdd, it returns the ID of the message that was just added to the stream. This ID can be used to track where you are in the stream, particularly useful for reading messages from the point where you last left off. You can modify the start chat fetch function to capture and handle these IDs.
I get. Ideally, I get this in one cycle, and then I.
Oh, this is just adding a log, right?
Because genuinely, this isn't bad.
So in the start chat fetch here.
Earlier during the Splash Vector when I PB'd in this, and I was just like, okay, I PB'd. I PB'd apparently. Don't know if I'll PB and Crash 3 again. Okay, if I PB and Crash 3 again with that Crash 1, this is on 305 PB watch, that's for sure. That's not
Yeah, there's literally nothing different except for just adding the ID to a log statement there. So yeah, we will make this change here. You're just jumping in. Happy Sunday. Pretty short one today. Only a couple hours.
Can I overtake this guy on this turn? Yeah, I can.
Trying to. I don't have plans for the rest of the day, which is super nice.
Nearly did.
So I'm trying to get in like a Zen mode and pump out as much of the projects as possible
It's not a bad run.
for today. I just have one last little thing to fix here with
That's for sure.
changing Redis to a stream instead of a pub sub.
Which is a good little
And
start.
then I'm gonna test if Deo goes live today, and because my existing implementation works fine, but I want it so that
I like it a lot.
there's just a couple things stripping up the existing implementation that would never the streamer would never
Yo, Jatera,
encounter.
thank you.
But
Today, man.
I want to make sure that people don't encounter them IRL. So
Sorry, 1 a.m. again. I don't know. It's up to you.
this won't be a problem once I add like users or anything, but it's still good to. The pub sub still isn't as good as the stream for my usage my usage.
Yo, big deal.
So we're gonna better usage here,
You doing alright?
probably better performance too, and we won't be using a shit ton of memory on client or server side, which is very, very nice.
Buddy.
Because the server side memory had to have been gigabytes at one point.
In fairness, in terms of me
Can I check
streaming
that?
for this long, oh shit. Ooh, okay. In terms of me streaming for this long, this is my last
Wasn't I
day,
already?
at least for a while, until April. then it's go time.
Thing is,
But at least, yeah, for a little bit. For a little bit.
no.
Oh shit, Lynn. Oh shit.
Last 12 hours.
At this point, fair.
Last day.
Fair and reasonable. I tell you what, I've been very, very fortunate with the Scufftathon, but it hasn't fucked my sleep schedule.
Yeah, I mean, it was utilizing memory for sure.
I've been quite fortunate in that
Whoa,
regard.
whoa.
I've still been able to keep up.
2.6. 64.3? What the fuck happened here?
I tell you what, though, I'm gonna sleep for.
Spikes the CPU. Alright, well, anyway.
Sleep for England tonight. I'm asleep like 9 hours.
Okay, I've definitely checked these. Let's go ahead and put them into the code. Starting with index. I already did this. I already did the on open. And then
Hit for Britain, yeah. It's gonna be unreal.
process message queue.
Scenes. I can't make that. Can't make that.
Last message ID. Last message ID is here. Okay, so it's a global variable. So
Alright. Yeah, I'm definitely
I'm just figuring out where to put this, where to put updating last message ID.
the start of the scuff one, that's for sure, but I think that's
Let's see.
natural. Still enjoying it though. Still playing well though, which is the weird part. I did not expect to be playing this well today. But that crash one was insane. And this crash 3 is pretty dang good. Yeah, he's crash hydrating own times in water level. He's fine. He's fine, dude. I do be slightly gaming.
Immediately after successfully processing each message, you can update just before the set timeout call. Okay. Well, I didn't need you to. Well,
I'm obviously on 5.
I need you to print out the whole.
But I'm also definitely on 305 PD watch, which would be
Oh, I see.
like a 305 PD would be nuts. So my 305 PD is already
Process message queue.
So I'd be very, very happy.
Return processing on SQ.shift existing logic. Update last message ID.
I would be very, very happy.
Oh, okay. Existing logic to append message to container. Processing.
I would be very, very happy. Really would.
So it would go here. Nope, not that. These.
Hell no, Len. Hell no. Hell fucking no. It's been forever since I've been in the sea, to be fair. But being a kid and like getting in seawater anywhere
Son of a bitch.
actually gross.
Does this look right? Nothing. JB's like,
No.
what's up, fat weeby?
No.
What's going on, dude? I didn't see your message till now.
Yo, T-Ravage,
What are you doing, dude? How's it going, dude? Does this look right?
Absolutely fucking not. Oh, I wish I could have made that cycle. That would be really cool. Oh well. Yeah, I hope you're doing alright, Ravage. Hope you're doing well. Nice one. Oh no. Okay. There we go.
And then it should say update container. Good, thanks. What up, bro? Not much, man.
Yeah, even
So,
which is like
I've been going super hard on this project, and today I'm
for the most part it's coastal, but we don't have
gonna do just a couple hours, just 2 hours today, 4 sessions.
or something like that.
Take the rest of the day and grind out this one last feature, test it out,
We don't got it.
kind of wind down a little bit from the stress of hacking this together every day for like a month. Get it to the customer, and
Having a banger
then we're just in update mode after that. But append to container, scroll to bottom, continue processing. Effectively maintains the order and integrity. Okay. So
because of the way that the population in Australia is like spread, I'd imagine that
That's everything for the script. Script has been
The coast, right? Like I'd imagine.
fully updated.
Pretty much, yeah. Just because
Okay.
everyone was living on the coast.
Oh, so you're getting paid to make this nice. Yeah, I'm getting paid.
You know?
It's kind of like a negligible amount. It's not like
Great.
it's not like as much as I would make freelancing or professionally, but it is an app on my resume that people use that like 300 people are going to be
You don't fuck.
viewing on average.
Are there actually people?
It's fully scalable, professional.
Is that just not a thing?
So,
You just
so yeah, I am getting paid, but it's not like a huge amount. But I can say it doesn't matter on the resume. They're not going to ask me, "Ooh, how much did you get paid?" Well, maybe. But I could be like $1 million. $1 million fucking dollars is what I got paid for this. What are you gonna do? Are you gonna check my fucking taxes?
It's really poor quality, right? I see.
You know what I'm saying? And I suggest you do the same, Fat Weeby. Pad your resume with some good projects that people use.
So really,
I literally just hung out on Twitch until this streamer was like,
you're gonna live out there is if you want.
my resume is 99% lies. My name's not even real.
I'm guessing.
My name isn't even fucking real.
If you want that
At this
life,
point.
then you'd live out there. But if not, like, no.
But yeah, that's the story with the pay situation.
I respect that.
But I'll just pretend like I'm making $1 million off of it.
Born there and then like.
So now we gotta update chat.go. We're gonna replace publish with an X ad
Live that life. Fucking
to add messages to a stream. Oh, is it really just that simple?
But to be fair,
At this point, I believe I'm the alter ego I fabricated.
wouldn't be too upset.
Aren't we in the we are just in the worst timeline, doesn't it seem? What if we're the evil ones in the timelines?
This is
Fuck,
new to
dude.
me, so it's fine.
Man, this whole time I've been the evil one in the timelines? Gotta be shitting me, man.
So when you get like.
That's not
when you
chill.
live there, when you get like mad animals. Like,
That's
running
not cool.
around, just, like, roaming.
I meet the good Hayden, and he's like super nice and sweet and fucking gets paid $1 million a day, and I'm like, damn, I'm the evil one in the timeline.
There's, like, half
Some community shit.
given to- Jesus Christ. Is it inhabitable because it's just like.
There's a 50% chance to land on the Utopia simulation, and we landed on the shitty Bezos dystopia.
Ain't no way.
Didn't we though? Didn't we though, man? We landed on the shitty fucking Bezos dystopia.
Maybe not.
Like we were playing the board game of life and
Obviously,
spun the wheel and got a 1 and broke the spinner and kids are dead, cars rolled.
a lot of shit drives to no water, no shade, no scorpions.
Not the Matrix simulation I was expecting. But maybe it's the redemption arc that makes the whole thing.
That checks out.
Maybe it's the redemption arc.
That absolutely checks out.
You don't even know Kung Fu yet. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, you ain't living.
We don't know Kung Fu yet. We don't know Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu yet.
I was about to say, bro, why are we trying to?
We're not CrossFit people yet.
Figure out how to live there, you know. Just figure it out.
Who's gonna carry the boats, Fat Weeby? And the logs.
Good, Elon. Jeez. Jeez,
Fat Weeby, are you into speedrunning? Does the TV over there mean nothing?
Right, yeah.
Because that'd be funny.
People wonder why Australia's so expensive to live in. Is
You play any PlayStation games?
it? To be fair, isn't everywhere expensive to live nowadays? Isn't that just the way of the world? Isn't that just how it be? You know?
We got a fellow enjoyer. All right. What's the major genre or franchise of games? Like, are you a Mario games, but then there's subgenres of those? Are you a Spyro or Crash? Are you a Nintendo 64?
That's a base first message. What up, Steve?
Are you a modern game
That's such a
enjoyer?
first message. That's actually so base.
'Cause I'd say
Sucks. Amen, brother.
I've been most into like PS1 runs, but I also really enjoy like Super Mario 64, which is the same era. So I guess this era is like just the speedrun god era.
Yo, Joe Bell.
But I'll also enjoy some newer runs like Mario Kart. I mostly watch randomizer runs, Metroid, Link to the Past, Super Mario RPG. Okay.
Let's go.
I fucking love that shit. Randomizers. Man, they're making randomizers out of everything these days. Do you know who Spike Vegeta is? Because I watch him do Zelda randomizers, but not Link to the Past. Yeah. Yeah. Do you watch GDQ at all? Probably. I mean, who the fuck doesn't watch GDQ? But I like Andy's LTTP runs and Oats and Goats Metroid runs. I love Oats and Goats Metroid runs, dude. That shit's crazy, man. And he does that like all the time. From what I've seen, I do follow him. Do follow him. I do follow the lad Oats.
Yeah, it's what your username is.
From what I've seen, he literally just does Metroid. I don't think he does anything else. Well, I'm not following him? Oh, that's crazy. Maybe I unfollowed him because he just does Metroid.
Can't say enough. I can't say
I'm not
enough
gonna fuck with the timeline.
You know, I really can't. It's just
But from what I've seen, he just does
insane.
Let's see. Metroid, Dead Space. Yeah, that's what I remember. Oh, he did some Dead Space 5 days ago. What the fuck?
I really have.
Fucking love Dead Space. The run they did together with the Metroid LTTP combo randomizer was probably my favorite AGDQ run. Fuck yeah, I got the Fat Wee Wee AGDQ lore.
Yeah, it's fun, Zach.
That's awesome. Is there a link, or is there a... I wonder if there's a VOD of that run. Would be sick. You could put it in your favorites in YouTube. Okay, well, yeah, I'm a huge fan of GDQ. The streamer that I'm doing this app for, here it is. The streamer that I'm doing this app for is actually has actually run at GDQ at least once. Oh shit. This is the real deal. I'll save this for later.
Time.
Where's the fucking ad? Oh, save.
Numeral 4.
Much later.
That's good.
Dope. I'll definitely check that shit out. That's fucking awesome. The streamer I'm making this for is Deo Man, so I don't know if you know who that is, but he runs Spyro. YouTube UI is getting shittier by the minute. Yeah, it's so bad. Remember when YouTube UI used to change by the fucking minute back in the day, and videos would people would always be like, check the sidebar, or I don't know where the fuck it is, and they've never fucking stopped making it. They've never fucking stopped changing it. It's like you guys gotta fucking chill. It was good times. It was fucking awesome times. When it was new and fresh, and like there was still new exciting things coming out.
Yeah, I'd say so. The Crash 1 run also was amazing, and it was 90 seconds off TV.
So before break, I was checking out, is it really that easy? Do I really just publish? So I have the modified message here, and instead of using publish, I just use xadd. Like I'm literally just changing this.
At least right now, it is pretty dang good.
Okay, I understand that. We're using xadd. Second thing we're changing is subscribing to and reading from the stream. This is in the stream chat function. Modify the WebSocket handler to read messages from the stream using xread or xread group, depending on, I'm not using consumer group, so we're just using xread. So, to receive messages and forward them.
On the 15 months. Go straight. Thank you, man. Thank you. Thank you very, very much.
I believe I'm going to have it
Thank you.
reduce the whole stream chat function for me.
Very kind.
Fawi, have you ever actually like tried a speed run?
Have you having a great day, Ravito?
Because I'm definitely gonna need to get into something soon.
This week's been
Start running something.
Yo, what up, Mad Girl?
I'll start running something if you do, just like with the game, Doc. If you start streaming, I don't know if you stream.
So we're doing a 305 and then a 411 and then a 511.
Don't know if you stream. After I saw how much money Andy was making streaming his runs, I started to think about it. LOL. LOL. Why not just do it, man? You know what I'm saying? Rat wee wee. Well, fat wee wee, if you start streaming, man, I will know. You know what I'm saying? Is that you? Fuck yeah, man. Looking good. Looking absolutely incredible. Okay, read messages using xread.
Very good, very good.
So this is the function I'm changing, I think. I believe. Thanks, Mom says I'm handsome. Just incredible looking guy, you know? You just literally cannot argue with that one simple fact.
Hope you're doing alright.
Close.
That's so lame. So you're having to do it all over again? Jeez. I respect the commitment. I really do. I respect the commitment a lot. That can't be easy. Jeez, man.
I'm going to need can you please let's see. Can you please output the entire modified stream chat function, because I am unsure exactly what to add and delete.
There's no way. There's no way I'm gonna do it.
Subscribing and the client reconnection logic. We'll implement logic to handle client reconnection, allowing clients to receive messages missed during their inactivity. Oh, I see. Okay. It's like okay. Yeah, I am gonna need the whole thing though, because I do not fucking... Oh. Go routine to receive yeah.
Crash Insane Trilogy? Oh,
Signal
shit.
closure of WebSocket connection.
Have a blast.
Yeah, see, that shit wasn't in there.
Absolute blast.
Which makes me skeptical of the... BRB, I need another bottle of Gamer Girl bathwater. Fuck yeah, dude. Get your bathwater. Make sure it's nice and tepid. Or sorry, I know you like yours cold. I know you like your Gamer Girl water cold. What fucking time zone is Brazil? Let's see. What time is it in Brazil? Oh shit, y'all are 4 hours ahead. Damn, you're 4 hours ahead? What the fuck? Brazil.
Yeah, maybe don't do that.
4 hours ahead. Yeah, that's crazy. Has to be cold to preserve the Gamer Girls yeast. Wait, no, I thought yeast... I thought you needed like room temperature for yeast. That's how you brew like kombucha and shit, you know?
I mean, the thing is with Crash 1 and Crash 2, time trials in Insane Trilogy, is the game was originally just not built for that shit.
Okay, so it literally is just this.
The game was not built for it, you know?
Oh wait, but done equals make chin struct was already there. Different con close. So I get rid of this, right? Oop, and then I change the go routine.
Like, some of the levels just aren't. I don't believe for a second they were built for time.
Where we're using X read instead
I
of.
don't believe that for a minute.
Yeah.
At least Crash 3 has like some vehicle levels that are straightforward.
Didn't Amaranth make some beer from her byproduct yeast? She makes some sort of alcoholic beverage from her byproduct yeast, which is pretty fucking awesome.
Yo, Andre, what's up, man? What's good, bro?
I wonder if this is any different. No. Let's go line by line.
Oh, Toxic Tunnels, in my opinion, is the hardest level in Crash 4. It's harder than Toxic
Connection, less ID string.
Because of a gem path as well and shit.
4.
It's just hard. Did you say Crash 3 is a good starting point for Crash games? Yeah. Yeah, definitely. You could
I still get that if I...
yeah. Sure. In terms of the trilogy, definitely. Like, in terms of the Crash trilogy, certainly. I'd say it's, like, Crash 3 no IG is easier to pick up than Crash 2 no go or Crash 1.
Last ID isn't used.
100%. I'd say. That's just me.
Wait.
But that be me.
What the frick? LMAO. Adrian's like, what the fuck did I walk into?
Right now.
Adrian, how much do you know about yeast, my friend?
It's like my third ever game my second game.
How much do you know about yeast, my friend?
Bash, which is hilarious.
Enough? Enough. My man knows about yeast. I mean,
No.
what do you know about yeast?
Doing this
You,
Okay, I'm like a half cycle behind. That body slam was so cringe, bro. Okay.
I'm just kidding.
That was very, very cringe.
I'm just kidding. Failed to publish, failed to add to stream. Okay, yeah, so it's literally just these.
I think I made it back.
Boom.
Oh my god.
So that's the change in start chat fetch. I recall the lessons in bio. Oh shit. I do not recall the lessons in bio. So maybe Adrian's got the correct knowledge for the gamer girl yeast. Adrian's been cryogenically storing his own gamer grill yeast for years. He's an original yeast pioneer. He's an actual yeast pioneer.
Yeah, we've had some saves. The fucking Sunset Vista thing and
He is an actual yeast pioneer.
we're gonna hit 6,000 subs and it's gonna be crazy. Oh yeah, I bet, yeah. Yeah, we're gonna get 4,000 subs in one day. It's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be so awesome and cool.
Okay, so that wasn't changed at all.
I
Okay.
can't wait.
And then what was the third change? What was the fucking third change we were making here? Stream chat, read messages,
Okay.
sends the last ID. Keep track of the last ID. Okay. Okay. You knew it would take off. Yeah, you're just a kind of a gold mine
Probably could have made it. I
scouting
just didn't want to find out
sort
the
of
hard way.
person.
Please get the gem.
You guys ever seen Gold
Find out the hard way.
with Matthew McConaughey?
That would have been sad.
Not Fool's Gold.
Your cousins were cracked at Tekken.
Gold.
So, fun fact, I've actually never played a Tekken game.
About this guy,
I
no.
literally never played a Tekken game.
So,
I
what's
never
funny
played
is
Fire, actually.
Fool's Gold is a 2008 film. And then this fool went ahead and made a 2016 film called Gold.
I played
'Cause he didn't give a
which is
fuck.
Platform fighter,
I don't know, I just think that's a fun fact.
but I've never played any.
Gold's a great movie, so is Fool's Gold. They're both fucking awesome movies.
That's like the full. Tekken 8 2D Fighter.
Anyway, we need to pour over these changes with a fine-tooth comb, make sure everything is Gucci, and then we will publish.
Let's try. NT.
So the only changes we're making here isn't the on open. Well, we do have to have a variable.
I've only ever played
The last message ID.
Smash Bros and Sonic the Fire.
Last message ID, and then we do set the last message ID here, and that's it. And then in chat.go, we need to see what the fuck's going on here.
Street Fighter's 2D.
Fat Weeby, how much money would you say you've spent on Gamer Girl
I know it was originally.
bathwater
The famous originals. Okay.
total
Sick. And let me not miss these boxes. Good.
after taxes?
I just thought Tekken was like them.
Are you at liberty to discuss this information?
I'll be honest. I'll be real. Maybe this is just my lack of FGC know-how, but I really don't like the look of Tekken or like Street Fighter in terms of like the way that you just kind of get hit and lose. Like, it feels like every character is Smash 4
$57,000 per year USD?
and that might be like.
Are we talking USD?
Bear in mind, but I am the least knowledgeable man of all time.
Problem.
I could be smoking crack.
$57,000 USD on Gamer Grill bathwater.
I'm just like, they're playing for
Bro, you're pounding a 30 rack a day at least of Gamer Grill bathwater, dude. Holy fucking shit, man. I'm about to be evicted. Well, damn. You'd have to make at least $57,000 plus your rent, plus utilities. You gotta be raking in at least 70K. And that's if you live in a shack these days. I don't know what the living situation is in Brazil, but here in the good old US of A, you pay $57,000 a year to live in a closet.
Yeah, man.
Landlord didn't accept my Gamer Girl bathwater. I wish I invested in Bitcoin instead. Man, we all make choices. We all make decisions. We all make decisions, you know? How long have you been sitting on? Do you use all this Gamer Girl bathwater, or is this sitting there as a investment tool?
Hey, go, stick to grabbing. You know what I'm saying? Aha. Okay. Got them both. That's really good. Oh, I got them both. Holy shit, how? Okay, nice, dude. Nice, dude. Nice. He grabs what he wants. He grabs what he wants. Oh, fuck. He's sideways. Okay, don't mess up the ending. That would be really sad, haha. That would make me an upset man. Oh look, fucked up the ending. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Clutch Gene. You son of a fuck. Oh no.
Could the problem not be solved here by...
I think I lose. I lose. Oh, this hurts. I lost.
It's getting...
Oh,
Stream
I
chat.
don't even want to know how much. I don't want to know how much. That just lost. I don't want to know. I don't want to know.
Don't I just need
I don't wish to know.
the variable isn't declared or initialized anywhere.
It's been a really long time since I felt to be crazed as well. It's been a really long time. Bulka's about 3.
Like,
Oh. Alright. Probably loses like 2.5 minutes. That's my guess.
I have a stash saved up because I know one day Gamer Girl Bathwater will be the next crypto. Oh shit. Well, if you're making long plays like this, then you need to inform a brother. Because me and Adrian thought, me and A-Rod thought you were fucking just burning your money on this useless liquid. Might as well be regular water.
It is exactly this.
But if you're making long plays, then shit, fuck.
Exactly what it
You
is,
know?
man. It is.
Then shit, you know? Yeah, it is. This value is used. It's used right at the top here. It's used right here.
Nice wave. Losing. How much am I losing? Okay, I said 2.5 minutes.
I see.
240. Pain.
Should be used as in the next iteration.
Order off the duck's back. Just keep moving.
It's because it's not being used here is why it's giving me a warning.
Move on. Okay, no, it was 2.5. Okay. Keep moving. Keep it on moving.
But isn't this bad? Like, how am I gonna...
It is exactly
I guess I'll console.log it so that it shuts the fuck up.
like door.
Or I guess log it. Log. Wait, how, yeah, log dot.
Keep swimming. Finding Dory in the house.
Last ID. Yeah, it feels bad, man, but I don't pay my money. Okay, so now they've made... Did y'all vote for... well, let's see. I may be brain damaged, but that doesn't stop me from being an investment god. Did y'all vote for Trump?
I watch that all the time.
I don't think I voted in 2016. I think there was some shit going on. But nah, dude, I don't think neither me or A-Rod would have voted for Trump. For sure, bro. I don't even fuck around with politics at all, so I don't give a fuck. You know what I'm saying? But it's just me.
In many ways, you're flexing on them, you know?
I think we're ready to fucking build here, so... Let's fucking do it. I'm absolutely not gonna get caught with my Docker pants down again.
I hate it here.
Wait, how long have I been on 0 minutes? This is not good.
Speaking of crack, what the fuck is up with like 80% of kids shows? I don't know, what are kids shows nowadays? I've got.
I've just been sitting here like a dumbass.
Programs. I know. So I kind of don't know what the fuck is up.
If it's 8 o'clock, that means I would have been done with session 2. So let's just go on to session 3
Is it Bad Bunny?
and take a nice little break here. How does voting even work in Brazil?
Bad Bunny. But go.
Do you guys vote, or what's the play there? Brazil governmental structure. Presidential system, federal republic constitution. Okay, so you guys do have a president. Who's the fuck is the president?
Paw Patrol?
Who's the president? Who is president now? Preside. That's not the president. President currently, Luiz Inácio Lula da Silva.
There we go.
Lula is the president. Voting is compulsory here. I don't know if that's any better. Compulsory voting maybe. I don't know. I don't fucking know. I don't have any information to add to any discussions on that yet. Maybe someday in my life, maybe in a couple decades.
There's no way it's not.
Oh wait, I know about this guy. I know about this guy. Wait, what? All right. Anyway. Anyway. Yeah, I don't know, man. I don't know. Do you guys vote every 4 years? Is that? Oh, and Trump's running for president, isn't he? Totally fucking forgot about that shit. Oh God. Oh God, I forgot it's a voting year and everything. Oh God. I don't want to be an outcast, so maybe I'll just fucking pick a team and go with it, but I don't know if I'm definitely probably not going to be in the Trump camp. I mean, probably not. Probably not. You probably won't find me there. You probably won't find me in any camps, but again, to avoid being an outcast, I might just pick a fucking camp. Probably some like green, I don't know. I'll pick the coding camp. Oh, AI for president. Oh God. You don't like the senile, dementia-ridden orange man? Wait. Wait, no. I love Orange Man. No, I'm just kidding. Wait, you guys aren't a fan of Orange Man? I'm a huge fan of Trump memes. I love Orange Man. I'm gonna come. Do not come. I'm gonna come. Alright, we're pushing this fucking... Well, my authorization token obviously has expired. I don't know why I'm even trying anything, ever.
Kind of insane. Would not fly nowadays. And this was in like...
We're huge senile, dementia-ridden Orange Man fans. Gotta love that Orange Man. A-Rod 800 for president, bro! Dude, Adrian, are you in the fucking coding party? Coding party. From SSA rep to fucking president. From SSA rep to president. Don't forget to wear your programming socks. Oh, I'm always strapped. You know I'm fucking strapped. You know I'm always fucking strapped with the socks.
But yeah, no,
you know I'm absolutely strapped.
Didn't it last like half a year before he got over?
I don't know why, but I'm pedantic and like to rebuild. Tag and push.
I'm pretty sure it lasted like no.
Alright, let's look through these changes one more time. Let's look through these changes one more time.
Can't pay will take it away. I don't know what that show is.
Restoring the last message ID.
It's probably for the best, but I don't know what that show is.
when we open the WebSocket, we're getting the messages from the last message ID. We're setting the last message ID in process messages. Easy peasy. And then in chat.go, we are changing from a publish command to an xadd command, which changes us from a pub sub to a stream. We're naming it chat stream. The values are going to be the messages. We're storing 100 messages. No more, no less. Well, less is fine, but no more. I don't know what the fuck a prox does. Prox causes maxlin and min ID to use matcher and sit. Okay, yeah. Getting rid of the subscribe in stream chats.
Have this thing where they love to see real human beings lose their families, homes, and lives, and then they're like, top.
And then we're literally just forwarding the messages to the socket.
Number 1.
And that's it.
Fucking dynamo, but like number 50's like fucking days.
And now everybody knows about this wonderful fun part where we press deploy and then we literally just fucking pray because Hayden hasn't set up the local testing. Okay, start praying. Hey, did I not turn this on? Did the timer like stop at some point? Am I tripping balls?
Nah, man. Ain't no way.
I'm checking the fucking tapes.
Have a good one, Songa.
I am checking the fucking tapes.
Peace, enjoy, man. Dynamo, fuck me, I haven't heard that name. So yeah, it's like, who are the famous magicians? Yeah, Penn and Smeller, that's the one.
Oh wait. Okay, it was a break that I was doing. God, I'm so dumb.
And then there's
I'm so glad I checked the tapes.
what else? Ooh.
Okay, we're on session 3. Session 3.
Ooh.
And we're doing this fun thing where we deploy and hope to God that that bar there stays green. Hope to God there that that bar stays green. Hope to God there that that bar stays green. And I think we're in the money, but I'm not sure.
And that's it.
I think we're in the money, but I'm not sure. But we're definitely gonna just check. Okay, everybody sit there like this with like everything crossed. Just kidding. It's not that. It's not that essential. But I really am hoping that this fucking deploys and that Yo, that's always a great sign. Started tasks, registered, stopped running, deregistered, draining. That's absolutely great sign. Crossing finders? I know you meant to say fingers, but I'm thinking like antenna, like finders crossed. Finders crossed, people. Cross those finders. Let's check what the DB's looking like right now. Make sure we don't have too many connections up in that biznetch. This is already completed.
Isn't it like 1 billion?
It's already completed. This is really weird.
Isn't One Piece just forever? Twalk will be done on Xbox PAL because for multi-game runs...
I don't expect this to work.
For multi-game runs...
It looks like it's not, so... We're gonna have to investigate, I guess.
It's very long? Yeah. Yeah, it's like mad fucking long, dude.
Starting server. I'm not getting any.
Right, I see, Ray. Yeah, so it just goes on forever.
Okay. Okay, we're not getting any messages, which is just absolutely awesome.
Let's do it again, I guess. This is fast. Right. Okay. Right, okay. You do all that just to die. Awesome.
I made the changes to the client and server code.
Sam.
And deployed the changes to ECS. And the front end loads. Wait, do we just have to do a little shift-a-rooney here? This page is in Quirks mode. Sock is already open or connected. Bad gateway.
Oh, Sam. Sam. What are you doing?
Wait, what the fuck is going on here?
It is crash 2. So after this I've got crash 2 and then I've got
504. Page layout may be impacted.
Still ways to go.
Fuck is going on here? There's no logs.
Yeah, the only anime I've seen is
Panic close of closed channel. That was 810. 810, 806. Chat.go. What is all this? When did this deploy? Wait, what? Wait, what?
Really? Okay, that's fine. I forgot your bare phone. Oh god.
What happened here?
Yeah, my favorite anime is probably Ape Escape.
What the fuck happened
Sure.
just now?
Love that one. Bum, ba-da-da-da-da-da, bum, bum, bubble. Snape Escape.
Snape Escape.
Snap Escape. I know what you wanted to put. I get the
Are we just...
You know, I saw it. Snap Escape.
I've been Schmeckeldorfed.
Harry Potter.
I sure have been Schmeckeldorfed here. That's crazy. I've never seen this happen before.
Yeah,
Wow.
I don't know why that line stuck with
Changing in the front end loads, but no messages load. Also, when I hold shift and click refresh,
yeah, very good, sure.
I get 502 bad gateway displayed on the screen.
Literally no reason that. Oh, that was swag.
This is in web console. And that happens.
I don't remember Snape laying a smack down on a child.
I'm just gonna.
Ah, well. That's like a pow! Mark you up! Yeah. Great. Who was the because they did
AWS logs.
job of being
Do 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 do. Give me the looks. Panic closed. Yes, I understand you're panicking and that you've closed everything.
Johnson. Dwayne Johnson. Shut up, bitch.
810, 810, 810, 810, 11, shutting down starting server.
And then he was like, "Can you smell what the bloodline is cooking?" And that's what he said. And then
806.
put their finger in the air.
Okay. These are the last.
It was great. You know, and then Dumbledore was like,
Here are the AWS logs, and I'm gonna do one of these bad boys.
It probably were. Fuck's sake.
Please help me investigate and correct issues.
Oh, Jesus.
Fuck's going on? I forgot to add this one little detail.
That's Scotland.
Screen
That's reasonable.
and the task in ECS stops and starts up again as detailed in logs below. Web console logs. AWS logs.
Horses played, yeah. I was more thinking.
Investigate incorrect issues. Boom.
It's really it's mellow.
Grew up sheckling their dwarfs. Oh, I'm schmeckling. I'm absolutely schleckling that shit.
It's the most mellow song you can imagine.
I'm schmackling it. Schmackling it.
But yeah, anyway, my favorite anime is Only Fools and Horses.
Basically, there's a bunch of shit going on. Ad logging is pretty much what I'm gonna do.
Making that. I like
Panic,
how
close of closed channel.
from like the 70s at this point. That's the part of the stream that we're at.
Wait,
Pretty awesome.
nah. Let's modify the code to
American comedy from the 70s.
log.
Looks also aged
Wait,
terribly.
let's modify the code for debugging. Debugging. Logging to figure out the issue.
Hannah Montana. Yeah, you guys remember when Hannah Montana was a thing in like 19?
Oh man, we are in it.
I remember that.
Curtain time.
Yeah, that's probably the one that's not aged the best, Frosty. Out of all the ones you could have said, yeah, I reckon, yeah, yep. Takes the cake. At least all of the actors from Only Fools and Horses aren't like, you know, reputations in tatters, you know. Because, you know, we have,
Okay.
here in Britain, we have no...
So we're adding a bunch of logs and a safeguard.
None. None. Zero. I don't know what you're talking about. Do 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 do. Ba, 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 ba. James Corden, we are to thank for James Corden, and we are to thank is a very interesting term to use. Ricky Gervais, yeah, that's us. Tough scene, really. Tough L to take, you know? Oh my god. It's... tough L. Yo, what up, Basil? Yo, AJ. Yeah, Hypnoshark also came from Britain, which is like fairly terrible.
Once again, I have no idea where the fuck to put shit because it's taking.
Pretty unfortunate.
Oh wait, is it?
You work here, and just isn't that funny?
We're not. Wait, subscribe to our stream.
He's funny. I just know that he's a very interesting personality. I'll put it that way. It's the most respectful way I can put it, I think.
Wait a second.
At that point, murder is okay. You know, man, so true. Man, so true. Guys, Kieran SR says murder is cool. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. What the fuck did I get?
I don't understand why.
Dumbass. I just forgot to do the bonus. What I made. I was like, what the fuck have I done? I've missed 17 boxes. Like, this is not a small part of the level, but I've forgotten. What have I done? And then I realized. Insane, but at one point, this Crash 3 run could have PB'd, and then Ski Crazed happened, and then everything fell off a cliff. Like, everything just... But, that's okay. It is what it is, you know? To be honest, this run is probably still gonna be, like...
Man, it's so hard to just make a simple change.
It's probably still gonna be, like, a... 213, maybe. Murder is super chill. Describing it as chill. Yeah, it's chill. I didn't know you would chill like that.
Who had the logs?
I lost like a minute there. That's how it goes. So I lost 2.5 minutes in Ski Crazed, probably about 40 seconds in Flaming Passion, about a minute there. Yeah, it's probably gonna be like a 213, 214. Pretty bad, but see what I do. As long as I don't make any more mistakes. As long as I don't fuck up anymore, it's fine. Pretty annoying, but it was. That one was just me just not concentrating. I was just thinking about how murder was awesome, you know? You know how, like, people get into, like, positions where they can be an influencer and they're like, I'm gonna use my powers for good. I'm gonna say things that are good and spread a positive message, and then there's Hypnoshark saying murder's awesome. I, Could go for some murder right now. Guys, I meant like a murder of crows was awesome. Like the animal is awesome. You guys misunderstanding me. Anyway, I'm gonna go kill him. Anyways, kill fucking Steve Harvey. Kill. Right, a murder of crows. Yeah. Violence is always the answer. To any question. You're like sat in a nice restaurant, the waiter comes over and he's like, what would you like to order? And then you just absolutely fucking kill him. Pretty cool. Pretty awesome. Kieran. That's awesome, dude. That's so sick. I'm so happy for you that you get to make that call. I really am. I'm happy for you. I'm glad.
Boost goes at the bottom of the stream chat.
Yeah, it's violins, guys. I was talking about violins. I wasn't talking about violence. You guys are so silly. Hee Go, baby, go! Really? Dude, that song is still getting played on radio.
Okay, well now we can, okay, the sun is absolutely just fucking my shit. The sun is bouncing off this fucking window right there.
I literally know no
this fucking window. Right over there.
I don't think anyone knows.
And
I mean that as a compliment.
the sun is actually right there. So I don't
need to listen to any more.
But I don't want to close all my curtains. It'll go away in a couple minutes. It's fine. I'll just be blind for a sec here.
I still can't believe that.
Seeing the light of God in my code. This is the one. This is the sign. God's like, this one is gonna work. This stream thing is gonna work. You got this. You got this.
Good shit.
All right, let's go ahead and deploy. Wait, let's starting server. I wonder.
I think Potty was making a joke about Crash 3. That's all I have to say.
We got nothing right. Okay. Okay.
So wrong,
Okay.
I'm trying my best to give him an out, man.
Okay.
Say out loud. Like,
You do.
Subway surfers. Like that's what he said. He said that.
All right. Now we pray some more.
He said it again the next day. Oh no. It's so rough, dude.
I cut stream short today because I may have to just hang out and build my own little stream chat function or redo a couple functions from the ground up, like line by line, and just kind of hang out with it and be a little bit of ADHD, I guess. Prage.
Yo, what up, Harrison?
Bar is still green. Bar is still green. It's draining. Excellent news. Everything still works. Let's see if the safeguards have been implemented. We may have lost Fat Wee Wee. That sucks. Let's see him on the other side.
think I get the relic with that. It's a bit slow, but it's fine. A little bit slow, but that's okay.
Well, Adrian, what are you doing today, bud?
That is okay.
We're heading on into a break. Start chatting a little bit.
That is all good.
Oh, Fat Wee Wee's lurking. Sorry,
Crash too.
the viewers went down by one, and I was like, so it's probably Adrian that left. I don't know.
Harrison, I'll try
I don't know how
to
accurate this thing is, so I'm trying to like actually see if it's.
Comms ending, and I'll be able to go back to normality. Yeah, I'll take a look. Thank you again, man. Thank you again. I'll take a gander.
Still doing it.
Take a gander.
Still doing that thing.
Do.
I am going to just change.
Yeah, you need all the relics. Sapphire will not do. You don't need platinum, but you at least need gold.
Wait, no, it does. The viewer count. Sorry about the. Yeah, I guess it's just. I don't know. I don't know what the fuck.
Especially when you're
I don't think the viewer count thing is reliable. Anyway,
especially hard.
I'm using a different viewer count than the one that's on the screen. I don't think any of them are reliable though. Breakfast with the parents and just hanging around. Just hanging around. Working on this, like you said, the rest of the day. Yeah, I'm just working on this the rest of the day. For sure. I want to be able to get this stream working.
You only need gold. Yeah, it goes sapphire, gold, platinum. Is the order of things. Alright. Alrighty. Yeah, I guess
The YouTube live viewer count is like super accurate. Like extremely accurate. I wonder how Twitch manages like the load balancing and everything on that. I don't know. I don't know.
I think it's gonna be a high.
What I do know is that this implementation didn't work.
I'm finding in every other mistake. Wow, it's crazy. It's like a 211, like very low 211, but instead it's a high 213. Bit cringe, but you know, is what it is. Be what it do.
Last break here. Probably just hanging around. Fat Weeby, what are you doing today, bud? What's life in Brazil like? What do y'all do?
How goes it? I hope it goes well.
Just hang out online? Do you go outside?
Good.
Is it hot outside? Because you already know I go outside. Grass muncher, eater, toucher.
Come out. Can I reach you? Oh, I can.
Probably fap all day with some samba in between. Damn, man.
Alright.
That's a fucking goated Sunday, huh? Damn.
Setting up.
Man is locked and loaded. You got samba class, or it's pretty crazy. Loaded indeed. My man is absolutely locked in.
Guess I'll change my title to say Crash Bandicoot 2 as well.
Some Samba.
Just make sure all of that's done before
Some Samba classes.
focus purely on changing console and not lose time to having to do that during the setup. Alright. Game title should have changed to
I think I'm gonna change this message
with a little bit of luck.
to let us update and improve some integration using new stream technique. Simple and effective. Do you understand?
Hopefully we did the thing.
We will begin making extremely incremental changes and deploying and making sure the app then works until we've fully implemented the new
yeah, very, very soon.
Redis stream system.
Tis a banger.
Samba, soccer, fapping. Dude, what the fuck, man?
You don't want to miss it, 'cause it's something that I am...
Just a goated Sunday, huh? Just a goated Sunday. Where do you play soccer? Or footy?
I'm very excited.
Football.
Yeah, it's going to be a 213.
I'm not gonna ask where you fap, because that's your business, but...
This is going to
Because that's your business. But where you play soccer...
be a 213.
I will ask you about that, because me and A-Rod, we've been thinking about playing some soccer. You know what I'm saying? We've been thinking about joining a club. There's a soccer field in every block. My man is in the soccer block. The soccer block. Do you guys have grass or is it all dirt?
We'll take that Tom Brady arm at the start.
I don't actually know the climate there. I'd imagine it's like tropical, like
Freeze.
not tropical, but ain't nobody got time for grass. Yeah. Yep. Nobody's got grass. Yep. Yeah, me and A-Rod might join some sort of soccer thing. You're thinking about just you know.
Alright. Dang turtle. It's not the end of the world.
But I haven't played soccer since Nam. And you guys signing with Arsenal? Nah, dude. I was going with Manchester,
It'd be exactly what it do.
which really is crazy because I don't know.
Appreciate you stopping by. What?
Yeah, I'm signing with,
Okay.
actually we're not going with Manchester. We're signing with this hot new team. You've never heard of them.
Scarier than it needs to be. GG's. Okay.
It's Butt Munchers United. It's BMU. Butt Munchers United.
Let's see if I turn into a mouse.
GPTFC. Butt Munchers United Football Club, yes. Or GPT Football Club, yes. GPTFC. GPTFC. I'm John GPT. We got A-Rod GPT. We got Wee Wee GPT.
Change layouts.
Wee Wee.
Video.
PP. GPT.
This way.
We are making extremely incremental changes. Deploying and
Sounds good, hopefully.
it still works. Making more changes.
Black borders around the game.
Repeat
Yeah, now adjust your eyes to 25 FPS. Also, Manchester
until we
United
fully implemented the new Redis stream system. Okay.
like Zoinks.
Let us update and improve the server and client code to gracefully use this new stream technique. Let us make the modification simple and effective. Please indicate that you understand the plan. Then after you understand, we will begin making extremely incremental changes, deploying, and make sure the app still works, making more changes, repeat, until we fully implemented the new Redis stream system. Okay, so we got to make incremental changes because shit's not fucking working when we make a bunch of changes at once. So we got to make some incremental changes. Dude, I can't wait to be a part of GPTFC and BMUFC.
We'll see. It'd be funny if you're right.
We're gonna munch so much butt.
Yeah, I'm watching it. I literally just said, yeah. I think Manchester United are gonna need moments like that.
Is he talking about Manchester United? Is that why I fucking just pulled Manchester United out of my ass? Yeah, score goals and eat ass. That's literally like the plan is simple, boys. Plan is simple. Very simple. Score goals, eat ass.
That was most certainly a moment.
It's no longer skate fast, eat ass. It is score goals, eat ass.
I probably went to the back.
I understand the plan to migrate your server and client from Redis PubSub to Stream. This approach will enhance the efficiency and robustness of your chat app. To ensure a smooth transition, we'll make incremental changes, deploy, and verify the functionality at each step. Let's begin with the first set of mods. Modify start chat fetch function to use the xadd command for adding messages to the Redis stream instead of using publish. Update stream chat to subscribe to the Redis stream using xread or xread group commands, depending on whether we use consumer groups. Client-side adjustments. The JavaScript WebSocket client will need to track the last seen message ID. On reconnection or activation, the client should request messages from the stream starting from the last message ID it is seen. So we don't want to do that. We want to modify this plan. Oh, I didn't update sessions because I fucking suck. There we go. I don't fucking suck. Kidding. Come on, I score goals and I eat ass. I score goals and I eat ass. I don't know. There's literally no other. That's it, right? Score goals, eat ass. Anyway, client goes inactive and then comes back. It gets fed the last 100 messages instantly from the stream to catch up.
Because my twat Xbox copy was dying the last time
the xread command. No consumer groups needed for now. I need to double check that we don't need consumer groups. Consumer groups, stream, Redis. Manage streams and consumer groups. Consumer groups. Key ingest, temp humidity type stream. Okay, so we don't need consumer groups. We for sure don't fucking need consumer groups. No consumer groups needed for now. And
this does mean you get to see a Twinsanity run. I'll be doing Crash Twinsanity later today. Indeed. 15 minutes until a new video goes up on my YouTube channel based. I'm really excited about seeing your guys' reaction to it.
Oh my god, I gotta fucking scroll so much when I make one little change. It's crazy. It's crazy, man. Wait a second.
What was that noise? What was that? That was like a delayed spin noise, I think. Whoa. I don't know what that was.
How about we do 20?
I don't know what that was.
20. How many messages would be on screen? Probably about 20. So we'll just do 20 for now.
Can you imagine, Bo Rider?
Okay, so 20 messages, automatically trims. Clients subscribe, no consumer groups. When a client goes inactive and comes back, it gets fed the last 20. Fucking shit, that sucks. 20 messages instantly from the stream to catch up. Example commands, client implementation. Each client, upon reconnection or activation. Oh my god, GPT, you gotta fucking fix this shit. The client gets the last 20 messages from the stream to catch up. Let's update, understand, extremely incremental changes, deployment is until we fully implemented. Let us only make small changes to one file at a time until the whole system is working. I don't want you to change both files. Getting all crazy. We don't need this message ID. I don't know why. I don't know why I didn't fucking nip that in the bud before I let it go wild with that, but we don't need the last message that we got because we literally just shove the messages in there. Like, I don't give a fuck which one is the last one that you read. If the tab goes inactive, just fucking shove the messages in there. Like, I don't even give a shit. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Modify code such as xadd, xread, instead of pubsub. Handle fetching the last 20. Catch up. Proceed with this migration in a step-by-step manner. Starting with small changes, testing them. Okay. I trust this. Which part do you want to begin with? The server-side code and go. We need to start with the server-side code because well, first off, we need to ditch these changes that we made because these changes that we made fucking don't work at all and have absolutely fucked us. And I don't need the last message. I don't know why I didn't think about that. But that's okay. These things take time. I can't just implement the whole thing in a couple hours. Things take time. Things take time.
Harrison! Cheers, dude. Appreciate that, man. Thank you.
Okay.
Much love, man. Much love, much appreciated. Yo,
I'm gonna say let's start with the backend code.
This is massive.
Code, since I don't anticipate changing the client side code much at all. Or should we just change the client side code? Since I anticipate much less changes to client-side code. Let's start with that. Then once that's tested, we'll start modifying the server side code.
Fucking everything's happening, dude.
Rarely handles the display. The changes will focus on how the messages are fetched. Modify the WebSocket logic to request the last 20 messages from the server.
Some guys have passed his
Special request to the server. Internal server interprets.
potentially huge.
Wait, so we're making a new function?
Yeah, Copper America's in a year. Jeez, man.
Since we don't have the exact format yet, it'll depend on the server. So I've chosen wrong. Basically, I had a fucking choice. The GPT gave me. It's like, do you want to start with the server side code and go, or the client side JavaScript? And I was like, oh, we're not going to make many changes to the front end code. Let's start with that. Wrong. It depends on changes to the server side code. So what the fuck is going on? Changes made to the client side will depend on changes to server. Let's begin modifying server code incrementally.
Probably.
How about I just give it a straight answer and not fuck it up anymore? Well, we only got about 11 minutes, guys, so what's everyone's... I don't know.
I don't know, man.
You guys got any goals for the week or any shit like that? Other than scoring goals and eating ass?
That checks out, Fusion. Jeez, spending 200 grand on Big Macs over the course of your life. Damn, dude. That is 2 a day. That literally must be like all he's eating. He'd be above Kobe Bryant.
Okay, so we're literally just changing this to xadd. We should just be changing
Just like so in shape, it's crazy.
this to xadd. Yes. Literally just changing that. Everything else looks exactly the same.
Yeah, dude's probably the healthiest man ever. That's just about right. That's just
Eating goals and scoring ass.
Damn, I'm still ahead of that.
Fat Wee, what do you think about?
Surprising.
What do you think about eating goals and scoring ass? Do we have 4 goals now? So our goals were score goals and eat ass, but now our goals are score goals, eat ass, eat goals, and score ass. Are we?
Dan Gorski.
I'm down. I'm 100% down.
Yo, let's go Iron.
Okay. The only thing we're changing is this. Literally, which is good. Add the modify message to the stream. Wait, what if I just copied the function and then let it tell me what's changed? Yeah, it's literally just that. Cool. So we're making this one incremental change to chat.go, and now we are in a better place for the rest of the project, because I've been making changes to multiple files at a time, which is a big no-no. We don't want to be changing multiple files at a time. We don't want to be doing that. You know what I'm saying? Build this. I believe this should just work. I mean, like, I don't...
That'll do. Alright, wait for this.
Wait, can you subscribe to a stream? I think I may be tripping balls here. I may be tripping balls here. Subscribe to Redis stream.
Eating McDonald's for 20 days straight, bro.
Oh, it's calling it pub sub. Okay, I get it. What is Redis Go
The rough part about destroying your body
docs.
is you only get one of those.
It's called subscribe.
Destroy everything.
This is V9. Okay, go.
That's an idea.
It's called subscribe. Subscribe. Client subscribe.
Okay, after this next level,
Subscribes the client to the specified channels. Channels can be omitted to create an empty subscription. Note that this method does not wait on a response from Redis, so the subscription may not be active immediately. To force the connection to wait, you may call the receive method on the return pub sub pointer, like so. Bing, bang, boom. So this isn't strictly a pub sub thing. That's why this variable name fucked me up.
get ready.
But let's deploy and see if that's like a thing. Why was I signed out? I don't understand why there's so many sign outs. It's getting crazy. Redis signs me out instantly. I don't know what the fuck that's all about. Like my Redis database itself signs me out fucking instantly. Okay, literally all we've changed is instead of using .publish, which creates a post messages to a channel,
You son
we're using xadd.
of a... Nice movement, dude. Sick movement, bro. Sick movement, dude.
Which, oh, okay, I see. Okay. It's just a different, to add messages to a stream. So publishes messages to a channel. Xadd adds messages to a stream. Is a stream a channel? Is a Redis stream a channel? Data channel. Redis streams is a data structure.
For a second, but I may have missed one.
Wait, Redis. Wait, Redis dot publish versus
But thank you.
dot xadd.
They're safe. Alright. Okay, the YouTube video is live. Go, 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 go. Exclamation mark YT, exclamation mark YT, exclamation mark YT. Go watch it, 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 go watch it. Go watch it.
Okay.
Go watch it. Go
Whack. I know it's whack, dude.
Go look at it.
This shit's whack. Hey, it's working. It do be working. Well, it be deploying. I think this is the last thing we'll do for today.
Go look at that shit, man.
I think I'm gonna make a Discord soon, so we can all hang out on Discord
Go look
after
at that shit,
stream.
man.
If y'all want to hang, you know what I'm saying?
And Robin, thank you on
Fat Wee Wee hit me up on Discord. I wonder if my Discord like available
So funny.
places.
Such a funny message.
Yeah, making a Discord for the community is in the to-do list for sure. Cause we all need to chill. Send a disc.
So, as
Oh,
very, very
what's my disc?
Yeah, exclamation mark.
What is my disc?
Go take a look at that shit, man.
And nudes. Okay, yeah. Disc HW8 nudes.
Says moments before disaster.
Subscribe tier 3.
Sounds good then. Would that be enough for alert? I'm so scared. Okay, that would have been such a big death if I died there. That would have been unholy levels of large. But I died. And hacked beam, thank you for 5 months. And
It's donated too low.
Funny. That's so funny and hilarious and funny.
So there's that link. I mean, if you can't see it, then it just sucks because it just really sucks. There we go. There we go. Yeah, I'll make a Discord soon. We'll fucking fuck around, you know what I'm saying? The Jabate, the classic Jabate. Fucking love that emote, man.
Alright.
Always been one of my favorite emotes. Alright, well, the last thing we'll do.
Very good, very good.
Last thing we'll do is make sure.
Hacked beam, thank you both of you. Appreciate it very, very much.
I think the back end's working fine, but it might be the front end that needs work.
What up, son?
It's 1 hour ago. 903. WebSocket read error, closing connection. Well, I'm still not getting messages, but that's fine. I'm gonna, like I said, hang out and try to see what's going on with that.
Could I have made it? Probably. But
Um,
I'm good.
yeah, so we didn't actually make too much progress, but I'm still learning more about the best way to get these messages out. Like I said, everything with the app works. I'm probably just gonna deploy the old version that worked mostly with all the features that the streamer is gonna use, deploy that to a production URL,
How you
let him just use it, and figure out this new implementation in the coming. Well, this shit I'm doing, this shit, switching to the stream from the pub sub, absolutely doing today. No, there's no way around it.
We are on the third game of 5.
There's no way around it. But, thanks everybody for watching. We're at 4 viewers right now, which is insane. Fat Wee Wee, A-Rod 800 for president. So, A-Rod 800 for president.
Hell yeah, stun.
What was the...
Hell yeah.
What were we talking about earlier with, Oh yeah, so support Butt Munchers United Football Club, support GPT Football Club, vote A-Rod 800, Discord coming soon, memes, just memes as a concept. Hope everyone has a great day. I'm gonna peace out. Again, thanks for hanging out. Much love to you guys. I will continue to bring y'all some great content, and after my app works, we'll definitely be doing some more fun stuff. So, kisses, love y'all, have a great day. Message me on Discord if you want to hang. Bye. Bye.
Shit, I had no clue.